Every breath you take depends on healthy lung tissue working properly. But what happens when some of those cells stop following the body's normal rules? Instead of growing, repairing, and dying when they should, they begin multiplying uncontrollably. Over time, these abnormal cells can form tumors, damage the lungs, and spread to other parts of the body. This disease is called lung cancer, and it is one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths worldwide. So what exactly is lung cancer? Lung cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells in the lungs grow uncontrollably, forming tumors that interfere with normal lung function. Like all cancers, it begins when mutations occur in the DNA of cells, causing them to ignore the body's normal controls on growth and division. The lungs are made up of millions of cells that constantly repair and replace themselves. Normally, damaged cells are removed and replaced by healthy ones. But when certain genetic changes occur, some cells continue dividing when they shouldn't. As these cells multiply, they form a tumor that can grow and invade nearby tissues. There are two main types of lung cancer. The first is non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, which accounts for most cases. The second is small cell lung cancer, SCLC, which is less common but usually grows and spreads more quickly. The biggest risk factor for lung cancer is smoking. Cigarette smoke contains thousands of chemicals, many of which can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. However, lung cancer can also occur in people who have never smoked. Other risk factors include secondhand smoke, air pollution, exposure to radon gas, asbestos, and certain workplace chemicals. In its early stages, lung cancer may cause no symptoms at all. As it grows, symptoms may include a persistent cough, coughing up blood, chest pain, shortness of breath, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, and repeated chest infections. One of the reasons lung cancer can be so dangerous is that it is often discovered late. Cancer cells can spread from the lungs to other organs through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, a process known as metastasis. The understanding of lung cancer has improved significantly as scientists studied genetics, cell biology, and environmental risk factors. This research has led to better screening methods and more effective treatments. Treatment depends on the type and stage of the cancer. Options may include surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, and immunotherapy. Early detection greatly improves the chances of successful treatment. Today, artificial intelligence is helping doctors detect lung cancer earlier than ever before. AI systems can analyze CT scans and chest X-rays to identify tiny lung nodules that may be difficult to detect with the human eye alone. Some hospitals use AI-powered software to measure changes in suspicious areas over time, helping doctors determine whether a nodule is likely to be cancerous. Researchers are also using AI to study genetic information and match patients with the most effective personalized treatments. Lung cancer is a disease that begins when abnormal cells grow out of control inside the lungs. Understanding how it develops highlights the importance of avoiding risk factors, recognizing symptoms early, and taking advantage of modern screening and treatment technologies. But lung diseases don't only affect breathing. Some conditions affect the body's ability to transport oxygen itself. In our next video, we'll explore Anemia Explained and discover what happens when the blood cannot carry enough oxygen to the body's tissues.